We met first in Bangalore. I flew down to see her on after 1 month of talking over phones, video calls, and WhatsApps. And in 2 hours that we met, we had decided that she's the one for me.
Even before we could agree to marriage, I had expressed this to him.
Not a single moment wherein we could feel that, this is that one click or one moment that we have with each other.
I was very clear that ho ya na ho, whatever the scene would have been, but his entry into my life has brought a story, and it is the most beautiful memory. It will always be close to my heart.
I flew down to Bangalore, as I said, and the next day they were coming in. And I told my dad, I called him in the evening, and I said that this is the one, this is the girl that I want to get married to.
I don't think ये history में हुआ होगा arrange marriage कम love marriage में कि first meeting में हम लोग within 10 minutes I think we were like कि हाँ भाई done, we are sorted for life, as we always say, we're sorted for life, and you are for me and I'm for you. Proposal na कहूँ, I would say I love you was me first. He told, I think my liking is falling into love, is becoming more of love, but I was the one who told I love you first, as usual. I want to go from one home to another home. I don't want to go from one home to a setting या कोई setup जहाँ मुझे gel well हो. ऐसा कोई feeling नहीं चाहिए था, and that is the best part of this entire thing. That I am going from a very loving family to another super loving family, and I'm so happy that they have accepted me with full open hearts.
बूंदों के मोतियों में घुल के एहसास आया, वक्त से निकल के लम्हा दिल के पास आया, छू के गुजरा था पर दिल को ना महसूस हुआ, अब जो देखा तो वो लम्हा दिल को रास आया, यूं के तय कर ना पाऊं रे दिल की बात मैं हवा के जरिए पहुंचाऊं रे, या खुद हवा पे चल के आऊं रे, तुमसे प्यार है ये खुल के जिनमें कह पाऊं रे, लफ्ज़ वो